Here's how to scan to PDF on your iPhone, completely offline, and end up with documents you can actually search. We'll use ScanTo Pro, a scanner that does everything on the device, including reading the text. Here is the plan 1. Scan the document. 2. Pick a finish. 3. Perfect the pages. 4. Search inside your documents. 5. Lock it behind Face ID. 6. Share a protected PDF. Tap Start Scanning and point the camera at your document, contracts, receipts, forms, IDs, notes. The scan is captured and saved on your phone in seconds. Pick a finish for the page, color, grayscale, black and white, or document mode for crisp, high contrast text. Fine-tune the file, reorder and rotate pages until the PDF reads exactly the way it should. Now the part most scanner apps charge a subscription for. On-device text recognition reads every scan automatically. Search for a word and you'll find the exact document it appears in, all offline. Sensitive paperwork? Lock the app behind Face ID so only you can open your documents. And when you need to share, export an encrypted, password-protected PDF. No cloud, no account, no tracking, and no subscription. You pay once and scan forever. Search ScanTo Pro on the App Store.